Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm super excited because I'm going to bring you an early unboxing of the new collaboration between Starbucks and Undefeated. Let's go! By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, now is the best time to do so. And make sure that you guys watch until the very end because we have a new giveaway. So to all those who will join, good luck. Very quick intro on the two companies in the collaboration because I'm just super excited to actually unbox this and check out the items. Those who don't know, Starbucks Coffee, awesome company. Undefeated, streetwear sneaker shop based in the US or founded in the US, and they have different shops all over the world, I think including Japan. I always see Undefeated in different areas in Japan, and they've collaborated with a lot of brands ranging from Bear Bricks, they've collaborated with Champion, they've collaborated I think with Bape and so many other, Adidas of course, and so many other companies in the past, and now they have this collaboration with Starbucks. Now enough of the blabbering about the companies, let's get into the unboxing. Now if you buy these products, they don't come in these boxes. This is specifically made, I think, for PR purposes, and I'm just so excited to pop this one open and take a look at the first item that we have, which is, ba-bam! Take a look at that. This, if I'm not mistaken, is the stainless tumbler, 116 ounces or something. So all black, as you can see over here, and then you have the Undefeated logo in that nice striking vault color, and then you have the logo of Starbucks on the other side of the tumbler. Man, that looks really clean. Undefeated, super nice. So that's the first item, which is the stainless tumbler. So let's take a look at the second product. I mean, how do you open this? It's just so, yeah. Woo! This one is the stainless steel cup. So again, all black. You have the logo over there of Starbucks, and you have Undefeated on the other side, and you have that nice vault colored straw as well at the top, which you can use to drink, well, obviously your drinks. And you unwind this by screwing it outwards, and yeah, this is what it looks like inside. So this is the second product of the collaboration, which is the Starbucks Undefeated stainless steel cold cup. Now you can drink your coffee and still be hype. Get to the third item in this collaboration, which is obviously already the stainless steel water bottle. So this should be a bigger version of the tumbler that I showed you guys earlier. So if we pop this box open, ba-bam! There you go. Wow, it looks really nice. Man, take a look at that. So again, same design, all black. You have Undefeated in vault, and then you have the logo over here. This is the third item in the set. So let me get all three for you to check them out, as in all at the same time. All three items from the collaboration between Starbucks and Undefeated will be dropping here in the Philippines on July 17 in selected Starbucks shops. So what I'll be doing is I'll be listing all of the shops that will be carrying it down below so you can check it out. Guys, reminder lang at I'll say this in Tagalog so people can understand Filipino. Yung mga taong bibili nito, parang awa nyo na, mag-social distancing kayo at huwag kayong magsiksikan para mabili yung mga tumbler na yan, ha? Tumbler lang yan, hindi yan worth your life, okay? So, again, reminder, practice social distancing, wear a mask, sanitize your hands if you will line up for these products when they drop on July 17. Now, what are the prices? The Undefeated Starbucks stainless steel cold cup will sell for $1,295. The tumbler over here will sell for the same price, $1,295, while the bigger water bottle, this one will sell, this is the most expensive, at $1,695. So if you actually want to get the whole set, that comes out to around roughly almost, I think, 4,000 pesos or somewhere along that price range. But yeah, so you get the big water bottle, you get the smaller tumbler, and you get this really cool, what you call this, cold cup. Just want to give a quick shout out to Starbucks Philippines for sending this over so I can share it with you guys in this unboxing. And speaking of Starbucks Philippines, they were kind enough to send me an extra set. So I actually have 2 of each. I have 2 of the tumblers, I have 2 of the water bottles, and I have 2 of the cups. And what I'll be doing, since they were so generous enough to send 2 sets, is I'll be raffling it away for you guys today. So what are the mechanics? Very simple. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, like this video, give it a thumbs up, follow Starbucks Philippines on Instagram. I'll put a link down below as well to their socials. And then just leave a comment down below on which of the 3 that you want the most and what is your favorite Starbucks drink. I will be drawing the winner in a week, so that's like 7 days from now. So make sure that you guys watch the video that drops next week, same day as today, so you can see if you won the raffle or not. So again, thank you. Much love to Starbucks Philippines for sending these products over and for sending a couple extra for us to raffle for you guys today. You know what I love about the logo and the brand of Undefeated is it just gives you so much encouragement, and it gives you a feeling of invincibility and power, which I think is so much needed in a time right now wherein we are so anxious, we're so worried, we're so nervous with the pandemic going all around us. And to be honest, I've never been so scared or worried as I am today, as in literally today as I am shooting this video, because we just got this letter here in where I'm living in Green Hills, and apparently there was one person, one unit owner, or I think one person here in our building who was tested positive for COVID. So this is the first time that we've ever had anybody in the building in our community test positive for COVID-19. And it is very worrisome, and I will not kid you guys, and I will not joke around with you guys. I am really nervous about it, not just for myself, but because, to those who don't know, my wife is immunocompromised. She has diabetes, and it's just so worrisome to think about it. So it's kind of nice to get, like, you know, something like this, which just says Undefeated and reminds you to keep your head up, to be careful, but to accept the being worried and to accept the fear, but at the same time be hopeful and find your strength, and of course God and the people who love you. So yeah, I just had to share that. Talk about really cool timing, right? We get this note about that, and then Starbucks Philippines and Undefeated send this over. So, such a interesting time. But anyway, that's everything I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you're all doing fine. If you guys haven't seen my Las Vegas vlogs yet, where I actually dropped by an Undefeated store over at Las Vegas, please do check that out. I'll put a link down below to the entire playlist. And I also have like an entire playlist in Japan. I did Osaka and Tokyo, and I dropped by the Undefeated stores there as well. So if you want to know more about Undefeated, check those 2 playlists out. Watch the entire playlists so you can see what the streetwear and sneaker scene is like in Las Vegas as well as in Tokyo and Osaka. That's it for now. This is Carlo. I hope you guys are okay. Please do pray for me and my family that nobody here catches COVID. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.